Today we learn audit evidence. We know that in auditing process we have 4 stages. First, auditors begin with introduction. First stage of auditing process. The first stage is introduction of audit, introduction of client's business. So the second stage is audit planning. The third stage is, today's our topic is audit evidence. So we must select the audit evidence, how to collect them. And the last stage of audit process is audit conclusion. After all this process, we must give audit conclusion. So today's our topic is about audit evidence. We must know how to select, how to use audit evidence, and how can we give audit conclusion by collecting the audit evidence. First of all, I want to say you about normative and the legal framework for the auditing activities in the Republic of Uzbekistan. First, the law is the law of the Republic of Uzbekistan on auditing, dated on February 25, 2021. So in this law, we know that we have 55 articles. We can use in auditing process all these articles. So the second degree of presidential's degree, it is 3946 degree, is dated September 19, 2018 year. It is about on measures for the further development of auditing activity. In this presidential degree 3946, President's degree 3946, we have 5 problems. We have 5 problems in auditing. So in this President's degree says that we must in auditing activity we must solve all these problems using these law frameworks. So what is audit? We must know basic concepts of auditing activity. In basic concepts, we can use concepts as in Article 3, basic concepts. Auditor. Who is auditor? Auditor is an individual who has qualification certificate of an auditor. What is the register of auditors? We must know all these concepts when we learn about auditing process. So, audit evidence. Today's our topic is about International Auditing Standard 500. We must learn this International Auditing Standard. Its name is audit evidence. How we can collect audit evidence, how we must use these procedures when we select the audit evidence. So we must First of all, we must make an audit program and the auditing plan. It includes a list of audit procedures. The auditor considers the necessary things. It's sample size, item to select, and time to pose the tests. Most of auditors use audit software package for generate audit programs. So when we use audit evidence, we must determine two concepts. First of all, appropriations, and the second, sufficiency. So what is it? So first of all, audit evidence can be evaluated only after considering the combination of these items. So when we use these procedures, we must know how to use these standards, these 500 standard audit evidence. Our finance. We must compare the information taken by auditors from the client's company, and we must compare with our own recalculated all the data. So if when we compare all these documents, we must give the conclusion about these types. So, for example, we are checking the assets of the company. So the accountants data about assets, yes. What can we use in the assets? What can be assets in the company? You will say, assets, what is it? So we must compare the data from the auditors. Auditors data about assets. Auditors also take all the documents from the accountants and recalculate. So it means that all the operations concluded with the assets, auditors must recalculate and write in their checklist and compare. For example, assets from the data accountants, it is maybe 1,000, yes, billion. From the auditor's data, it may be 900. So when we compare all this information, we must find where is the error, where is it may be some of the fraud operations. So we must give the conclusion about the assets after recalculating all the information. It is the one type of the audit evidence. So also we have example. I sent you your group the slide about the audit evidence. You can see the examples. So first of the thing which we must do, it is physical examination. Physical examination, it says in our language, it says as an inventarization. We must see and it inspection or count by the auditor of tangible assets. This type of evidence is most often associated with inventory and cash. So we must see that all the inventory assets and cash. We must check them and we must know how much are they and how much in the in fact they are, and how much in accounting documents. Documentation. The next type is documentation. When we use audit evidence, we must give documentations. It is the auditor's inspection of the client's documents and reports. It may be internal document or external document. So, when we check the documentation, we must use these internal and external documents. Analytical procedures. It is understand the client's industry and business, assess the entity's ability to continue as a growing concern, indicate the presence of possible misstatements in the financial statements, and reduce detailed audit tests. Inquiry of the client. It is the obtaining of the types of the audit evidence may be written or maybe oral taken audit evidence. What is written audit evidence? It is when we check in fact documents. We can see and feel these documents. It is have the signature of the administration or another person who answer for this part of the client's business. And the oral checking the audit evidence, it is when auditors give the some person who works in the client's business gives some the questionnaire and take them back. When he answer all these questionnaire, they can answer for all these auditors questions. We can also use another international auditing standard. It is 620 standard. Its name is use the experts work in auditing. So in this standard we can use when we check the client's business and collect the audit evidence. We can use these experts, using the experts' work in auditing. So when we can use this standard, we can use this standard when auditors don't have experience in the field which is not connected with accounting and auditing. It may be the medical center or another type of the business which auditors don't have professional skills about this part of knowledge. So they can use the expert's work. Expert is who is the professional in this field, which auditors don't know in this field. So they can use this expert's work and give the audit conclusion. And this is used and expert is involved in the verification and includes the parts of the audit conclusion. So in conclusion, I can say that it is a very huge part of audit stage. If we don't know about audit evidence, we can say that we don't check this company. If we don't know about the types of the audit evidence, how to select the audit evidence, our audit conclusion may be not verified, not it cannot be the interesting for the another participants which using this audit conclusion. So auditors must correctly know all the types of the audit evidence and use in their practical work when they check the audit client's business. So, the lesson, our lecture is over. If you have another questions about today's topic, you can ask me. If you don't have any questions, then I will ask you some questions about our previous lectures. So maybe today's topic. So, how many topics we learned? You can say. How many topics about auditing in this subject? How many? The names of the topics. The first topic is our lecture was what? What? Characteristics. Yes. Characteristics of auditing. So in this topic, what we learned, we have learned what
we learned about auditing, what is auditing and its means. How many types of auditing, how we learn.
We learn the concepts, yes, about auditing, yes. Also, we learned also another things. Who will say? Error and fraud. Error and fraud. Yes, we learned about error and fraud. It is what is international auditing standard, types of the auditing, error and fraud, compare with error, mistakes, yes, and fraud examples we use it in our lecture, how company can use operations connected with the fraud operations, yes? So, today's my question, my question is about the concepts. What concepts you know involved in audit? Who will say? It is Article 3, yes, in about law of the auditing, Republic of Uzbekistan.
Confidentially.
Confidentially.
Audited.
Yes, all right. It is basic concepts, yes?
Yeah.
Mhm. So, my second question is, who can say about statistical data, about auditors in the Republic of Uzbekistan and auditing organizations in our republic? How many? How many auditors today in our republic? How many auditing organizations? The last data, statistical data, I sent you to your auditing group. We make a discussion about it. Who will say how many auditors and how many auditing companies in our republic? Сколько аудиторских организаций, сколько аудиторов? Шахноза, please.
In Uzbekistan, today 1,106 auditors and 1,050 auditing companies.
150, yeah? You're right, thank you. Most of them is situated where? In what region? In Tashkent city, yes? About 70% percentage of the auditing companies is situated in Tashkent city, yes? So thank you for your attention. Today's our lecture is over. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Banzar. Let's speak English with me. This is man's body. This is the head. This is my shoulder. This is my neck. This is my chest. This is my stomach. This is my back. This is my spine. This is my waist. This is my head. This is my hip. This is my arm. This is my hand. This is my wrist. This is my elbow. This is my palm. This is my fingers. This is my nail.